If you are looking for an awesome projector that is easy to set up, has its own stand, and comes loaded with Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, so you don't have to download any of that stuff, you're absolutely going to love this. I'm going to walk you through it now. All right, so this is everything that it comes with right here. This is the actual projector itself. You can move this up and down however you want. This is a cord. You got this as well. It's a manual, very easy to understand. And then of course the remote, which is absolutely awesome. And this is what it looks like projected. We're gonna put this in our living room. Love the fact I literally turn this on, you connect it to your internet, and then this loads up. Again, all this comes preloaded. I've had projectors in the past where this takes forever to set up, and the sound quality, the video on this stuff is absolutely awesome. You'll see this is the YouTube, and you get started, you could hear that kind of music right there. So if you're looking for an amazing projector that has great picture, great sound, definitely check this one out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this so I can do this review.